All right, guys, let's take a look at a day zero trade setup. This is typically when the market is resetting. Okay, so this is your JPY. We're going to count the ways, guys. I'm going to take you through the week. Okay, so on Monday, we had a new peak, and I count this as day one, right? Now, we know that if you follow Stacy Burke, you know, Monday's day one, Tuesday's day two, Wednesday's day three, which also is day one. It resets. Thursday's day two, Friday is day three. Now, I count of the peak. Like this is one, okay, two, three, and then four. Because day four is pivotal. The market is either going to, the trend is going to change, or it's going to continue on and reset, you know, back into a long or a short. But this particular example, EURJPY reset long. Now, how did we get here? So this is what I've been learning. So we have our, you know, yesterday's high was right here, right? Prices broke through that. So that's one previous day. And you're going to notice on the dashboard that, you know, I have the column for previous day high and low so we can see where we are. So this one was not showing three just yet. It was showing two previous day high and low, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so that was previous day one, and this was two previous day, right? So usually when I see one and two, I'm expecting the third one to happen, right? That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the third one to happen. If the third one does not happen, then this day is going to reverse, right? And you can see that it didn't hit yesterday's high and low. If it did hit yesterday's high and low, it would have shown three. And then that would have been the three previous day high breaks, which then the actual trend, the reversal of the trend, which is what I would expect to happen at that point. If it was three hits, three breaks of previous day high, or three pushes outside of the open range, which, you know, the open range is down here, right? So I would expect the trend to change at that point. But since it did not do that, guys, it didn't hit yesterday's high and low. It didn't even hit. So again, yesterday's high and low, it stayed inside. The market was just inside. Okay. If you took this trade short, it was a great short trade right off of open price for the earlier session. New York came in and, you know, it was pretty much done after that. We probably had news that day too. Okay. So that's how you tell the difference, right? If it did not take out the high and give you the three previous day high reversal trade setup, then expect that to happen on Friday. Expect it to go long on Friday to give you that third break. Okay. So let me clear this and let's move over so you can have more space. So again, so this third hit did not happen. So I'm expecting the third to happen today. And also I'm expecting it to reset to one. Okay. So this is the inside day. This is a parabolic trade setup. We have, even if I took the low of that day and I went to the high of the new day, right? Because the higher high on the inside is a clue. You see how prices came. Usually you would want price to hit, you know, a major level, close inside, but it didn't do any of that. It just stayed inside, closed back inside, went sideways, gave us a higher high in the inside, right? Right at the initial balance high. And then it dumped. And then now we got our parabolic trade setup, which is that third previous day high that we were looking for. So now this is resetting this market. That's it. It's resetting this market, guys. You could have gotten in on this market at the open price. Do that all day long. If you were brave and you said, I'm going to get in here at the very, very low, I mean, that's good too. But I would have waited for this to happen because I think there was news that day too. So I would have waited for prices above the open price or close price, whichever you use. You could have taken, you could have adjusted your measurement, your pivots here, right? I'm just going to move that over here and then go to the daily low. And then now that would have got you in a little bit sooner. I'm on the M30 chart, but you would have definitely been entering either on M1 or M5, whichever one's comfortable for you. And you could have set up several targets, right? You could have had a target here for initial balance high. You could have had a target here, which is the ultimate target, yesterday's high. And then you could have also had a target at 1 ADR, Okay, because there was a reset here and then boom. Okay, so now the market is reset. This is now one. Count this as one. The indicator is not going to count this reset as one. You need to remember to count this as one. Make a note, count it as one. Because Monday, right, when Monday comes, I'm counting that break as 2. And then Tuesday comes, I'm counting that break as 3. And then we're going to have our 3 previous day high breaks. And then the market should reverse after that. Okay. And I swear, guys, I don't know why, but after the reset, it's just so clean. It just goes 1, 2, 3. It's so clean. All right. So hope you got some value there. That's the one thing that I used to struggle. It was like a huge struggle for me. It took me forever to like, man, what's going on here? But, you know, I hope you got some value here. If you did, hit the like button, comment, the heart button, whatever platform you're on. And we'll see you in the next one.